Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Prosper for peer-to-peer investing, full guide step by step clearly. To register with Prosper for peer-to-peer investing, start by visiting the Prosper website. On the homepage, locate and click the sign up button. You will be directed to the registration page. Fill in your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password that meets the specified criteria. Confirm your password by entering it again in the appropriate box. Next, provide your first and last name in the required fields. Enter your phone number for account verification purposes. Select your state of residence from the drop-down menu. Check the box to agree to Prosper's terms of service and privacy policy. Continue by clicking the Create Account button. You will then receive a verification email. Check your inbox and click on the link provided in the email. Once verified, return to the Prosper website and log in with your email and password. Complete the additional required information for your profile. This may include your social security number, date of birth, and employment details. Prosper may also ask for financial information to help assess your eligibility. Submit the required documents for identity verification if prompted. After your information is reviewed, you will receive confirmation of your account approval. Once approved, you can begin exploring investment options on the platform. Review the loan listings available for investment on your dashboard. Analyze the risk, term, and potential returns for each loan. Decide on the amount you wish to invest in selected loans. Proceed to fund your account by linking your bank account. Follow the prompts to complete the funding process. After your account is funded, start investing by choosing your desired loans. Keep track of your investments through the Prosper dashboard. Stay informed about borrower payments and earnings as they accumulate. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.